Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. So welcome back to in our daily conversation part 8. I make short, fun and useful videos to help you speak real everyday English with confidence. So let's get in. The scene is two friends celebrating good news. So the person A says, "Guess what? I just got the job." So here, guess what is a phrase to introduce exciting news. The person B replied, "No way! That is supercalifragilisticexpialidocious." No way means used to express surprise, and supercalifragilisticexpialidocious, a playful made up word meaning fantastic or wonderful, popularized by the movie Mary Poppins. The person A says, "Haha, you actually said it." The person B replied, "Of course, I means fantastic, but in an over the top way." So, over the top means extremely exaggerated. The person A says, "Well, today really is that kind of day." The person B replied, "Let's celebrate like there is no tomorrow." So, the idiom used in this sentence is like there is no tomorrow means with a lot of energy and excitement. So, the idioms that are used: supercalifragilisticexpialidocious, guess what, no way, over the top, like there is no tomorrow. Thank you. Subscribe our channel, press the bell icon, like, share and comment. Allah Hafiz.